at EMPS Media World, we are only bringing you luxury, luxury, and luxury. Are you an investor and you're actually looking to invest in Dubai real estate? I have good news for you. Today, we are located in JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle, and it is the second best selling community in Dubai. So this studio apartment is an off-plan apartment. We have a mall nearby, the Circle Mall. It has schools nearby, hospitals nearby, and this is the right place to invest. So this apartment, you can make it to an Airbnb, holiday home, you can even make it your home. But you actually get that return of investment stress-free. So come with me as I show you through this luxurious apartment with the fine finishing. One thing about this apartment I like is the community around this property. There's Circle Mall, there is a 5 JVC hotel just outside here. It is 15 minutes to downtown if you're a tourist and you're looking actually to stay around here. Yeah? We have 10 minutes. It's just 10 minutes drive to Marina, and you can actually go anywhere from JVC. So the finishing of this apartment, let's start here. This is where the bed is. Just see the touch of this, the feeling of luxury. So from this bedroom or bed area, you can come here. We have the sitting area. The sitting area that is close to the closet. These are the closets. And I like the finishing of white. There's just something about white when it comes to apartments. This is the storage. Yeah. So there's also another thing here. There's a mirror. One thing about this apartment, it has a lot of mirrors. There's a mirror here. There's a mirror at the dressing table that I'm about to show you. There's a mirror inside the bathroom. So if you're a lady, I know we like mirrors. So there's a mirror here, but it also have storage, more storage. You can hang your clothes. Yeah. So from that, we have the TV area. From the TV area, see the finishing. There's actually very, very fine finishing for this apartment. When you have a guest there, you can actually sit down, watch some TV, and I love this finishing. This finishing is so luxe. So straight from this TV, I wanted actually to show you this dressing area. I'm telling you, this apartment is full of mirrors. If you're someone who likes to take mirror selfies, you want to see yourself how you look like how I am here, you can actually get to do that over here. Then we've finished with this area. Come, I'll show you the kitchen and the bathroom. So this is the kitchen area, and we have an inbuilt fridge and a freezer. Let me show you. It's the freezer. This is the fridge, and you can actually get to see how they took time to get the best of brands for this kitchen area. So after the fridge, this is the sink, and I love the detail of this sink because it is actually deep. So no spilling of water when you're doing washing of dishes and all that. This is the storage, more storage, more storage, storage, storage. You can actually get to see also the cooker. The cooker is branded. It is Siemens. You get to have an oven and more space, marble toppings, marble everywhere. So this is the bathroom tour. This bathroom is actually very, very spacious, and I would like for you to have a look at this bathroom. These are the details of the bathroom. You can get this apartment either by mortgage, by a payment plan, or by cash. It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. Contact Eunice, your property consultant in Dubai. Thank you.
Action.
Mortgage and